So now we are going to transform these sentences. If you see, all these sentences are in the imperative. We are going to make it into the form il faut plus the infinitive of the verb. So now first you have to look at the sentence. What is the verb? Mémorisons. So il faut and the infinitive of the verb. Mémoriser. Il faut mémoriser les conjugations. Il faut mémoriser les conjugations. The next sentence, prendre des pilules. Now, the verb is prendre. Il faut plus the infinitive, which will be prendre. Il faut prendre, and you have to complete the sentence. Now, moving on to the next sentence. Achetez un paquet de sucre et n'oubliez pas le lait. So, in this sentence, you have two verbs, acheter and oublier. So, il faut acheter. So once if you write il faut is sufficient. Il faut acheter un paquet de sucre et now the verb is oublier. So the infinitive is er, n'oubliez pas le lait. So when there are two verbs, you write il faut plus you write both the verbs in the infinitive form. So it is simple. And finally the last sentence, prenez le TGV ou l'avion. So the verb here is prenez, il faut and prenez. So the infinitive form is prendre. Il faut prendre le TGV ou l'avion. So, this is a simple sentence, simple exercise where you replace the verb which is conjugated with il faut plus the infinitive form of the verb. So, by doing this, we change the sentence from an order, that is the imperative, to an obligation. Il faut mémoriser les conjugations. So, to change a sentence from the imperative to an obligation form, we put il faut plus the infinitive of the verb.